Habit number 1.
Thank you, Kevin, for welcome.
Kasi pag hindi sila pumunta dito, nandun kayo na ipinahan.
So anyway,
so I think it's right time for us to introduce our board of guys. Palakpakan po natin.
This is Hermania Malanza. Number 2, Mrs. Teresita Gonzalez.
A big round of applause to Ma'am Rosanel Rufilio.
Mr. Carl Edward Pao.
Okay, palakpakan po natin, Mr. Noriel Ligaspi. Okay. This is our third day.
Third night na. And so far, very successful.
Yes! Mabuhay ang pangalan. Masuporta po naman. Salamat po.
And we thank, of course, the committee for this event, Mrs. Susan Paano.
Palakpakan po natin ang aming sponsor ng Committee Social and Cultural.
Sipag na
Yes. Napakabait. So, while we are waiting for our candidates para po sa kanilang casual wear, gusto po natin muna kayong i-remind para sa activity po namin tomorrow. Bukas po, 1, 2, 3, raffle po ng ating raffle.
Pero, bakit ba ito bukas? So, yung hindi ko lang pasok yung mga raffle tickets nila. Si Miss Sherry po, Ligaspi po, at naka-sign dodge. Doon nyo na lang po yung pasok sa kanya, yung mga raffle tickets. So, bukas ulit po yun at 1 o'clock.
At for info rin po, Ma'am Susan, for info, kahit nabutan po ang tao ay wala dito, ibibigay po natin yung prices po, okay? And then after that, 1, 2, 3, 6 to 10 naman po, you are also invited para po sa ating Mr. and Miss Macaria. Ito po yung mga teenager na taga-Macaria.
Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our other board of directors, Ms. Joy Alonso, and Ma'am Luz Catera, and the board of candidators headed by Ms. Sherry Ligaspi, together with Mrs. Luz Catera.
Yes.
Once again, the candidates for Railways, Captain Colonel Maya.